Hello guys, today, I will demonstrate how to create an architecture logo. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Select rectangle tool. Move this corner using the direct selection tool. Here use Shape Builder tool. Copy this path and paste in front. Follow all tips step by step. Select Ellipse tool. Copy this path and paste in front again and again. Copy this path and paste in front again and again. Follow all tips step by step. Increase stroke. Copy this path and paste in front again and again. Finally, I want to tell, always I try to my best to give you better concept about design. If you can see I'm trusted and I give you my creativity, and if you can enjoy my tutorial, or if you can learn something from me, so subscribe my channel. If you subscribe, you will get all updates very easily. Expand now for stroke to making fill color. Like and subscribe our channel for more update. Thanks for watching.